Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making sausage potato skillet. Alright, I'm starting out in my large pan. I have it preheating. I'm going to put some olive oil in here. It's enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Now I have some links of sweet Italian sausage. I'm going to get these in here and I'm going to get them good and browned up on all sides. Alright, now that my sausage is all nice and browned up, and I turn my heat down to medium-low, I have a 2-pound bag of frozen red, green bell peppers and onions. I'm going to get them in here. Now you could slice it fresh if you like. I'm just going to take the easy way. And I'm going to allow my peppers and onions to fry in with the sausage so it starts to thaw and starts to cook through and get nice and tender. Alright, now that I allowed this to cook for a few minutes, you can see it's boiling. I have some red skin potatoes here I sliced up thick. And my friend Darren said to me, he says, I'm not good at slicing up vegetables. And I told him I use a mandolin slicer. I got this one at Walmart for $12. It really wasn't that expensive. Or you could slice them by hand if you like. It's just quick with the mandolin slicer. I'm going to get these potatoes down in here, and I'm going to try to separate them a little bit so they cook a little better. Just want to work them down in there. Okay, I think that'll be fine. I'm going to add a little more water to this. I'm going to add about a cup of water, and I'm going to season this with some salt and pepper. That's probably about a tablespoon or so of salt. And it seems like a lot, guys, but these potatoes and the peppers and onions are going to be able to handle that salt just fine. I'm going to get in here and give this a toss. And when this is done cooking, I'm going to go ahead and drain off that excess liquid. Now I'm going to allow this to simmer over medium to medium-low heat for about 15 minutes. I'll go in and stir it every now and then until those potatoes get nice and tender. And I'm going to cover this while it simmers. I wound up letting this go for 20 minutes because my potatoes were sliced so thick. I went ahead and drained off the excess liquid. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I went ahead and added a little shredded cheddar cheese to this. Let me get in here and give this a try. Start with that sausage. See how nice and juicy that is. It's starting to put juice out as soon as I poked it with the fork. See, my sausage is cooked through nicely. Hot. That mild Italian sausage is really delicious. This casing had a nice snap to it. That's really flavorful. My potatoes are tender, as you can see. Let me grab a piece with cheese and peppers on it. That's really good, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it, sausage potato skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.